Welcome to an insightful journey into the world of ginger, a potent superfood with a repository of health benefits. We're going to unravel the wonders of ginger and precautions to take while consuming it. Ginger, a native plant of Southeast Asia, has graced our kitchens for thousands of years. Its warm, zesty aroma and fiery flavor add a unique touch to our dishes. But did you know? It's not just a culinary marvel, but a potent superfood too. Rich in essential nutrients and bioactive compounds, ginger has immense health benefits. It is packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, keeping your cells healthy and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. One of the most celebrated benefits of ginger is its ability to soothe digestive issues. It's known to alleviate nausea, motion sickness, and morning sickness. What's more, it's even effective in reducing muscle pain and soreness. Looking for a natural deterrent against cold and flu? Try ginger. Its antiviral properties help to fight off infections, making it a great addition to your winter wellness routine. Ginger is also a friend of your heart. Studies indicate that it may lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood clotting, and help to regulate blood sugar levels, thereby promoting overall heart health. Inflammation is a key factor in many health conditions. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help to soothe inflammation, offering potential benefits for conditions like arthritis. But, like all good things, ginger too must be consumed in moderation. It's important to understand that although ginger is beneficial, excessive consumption can lead to side effects. One potential side effect of overconsumption includes gastrointestinal issues like heartburn or upset stomach. If you notice these symptoms, it might be a sign to cut back on ginger. Ginger may also interfere with certain medications like blood thinners, diabetes medication, and high blood pressure drugs. Therefore, if you're on such medications, it's advisable to consult your doctor before consuming ginger. Pregnant women should also be cautious. While ginger is known to alleviate morning sickness, very high doses may pose risks. Again, a consultation with a healthcare provider is crucial. It's also crucial to understand that while ginger can aid in relieving certain health conditions, it is not a replacement for medication. Always follow your doctor's advice when it comes to managing health conditions. Remember, the key to reaping ginger's benefits is balanced consumption. Incorporate it into your meals wisely, and your body will thank you for the boost of wellness it provides. So spice up your life with a dash of ginger. Your taste buds will revel in its zesty flavor, and your body will thrive on its myriad health benefits. To conclude, ginger is indeed a superfood with multiple health benefits. However, like all things, it requires mindful consumption. Listen to your body, seek professional advice, and unlock the power of this potent root. Remember, the journey to wellness is always about balance. Stay tuned for more informative videos on superfoods and their rightful consumption. Stay healthy and stay safe.